I'm going to teach you how to design a poster from scratch. I recommend using a Google product called Google Drawing. I'm in my Drive. I'm going to click New, go down to More, and open up a Google Drawing. Google Drawing can be best compared to Microsoft Paint for those that are familiar with that. The very first thing I'm going to do to design a poster is pick my size. To do that, I'm up here, File, Page Setup, and I'm going to do a custom page setup here, and I'm measuring in inches. I'm going to design a poster that is 18 by 20. Now I have this blank canvas to work with. I'm going to go through just a few features, but it's really just best to poke around and play or come and find me and I'd be happy to help. I'm going to give this poster a border, and I went to my shapes icon there and picked this shape. This yellow dot here helps you kind of make the border thinner. This paint bucket gives me a border. And that was right here in this shapes tool. Next, we can add a text box. You just click and drag where you want to type. And just like in other programs, you change your font. I'll do a poster about I love dogs. So important for classrooms, right? And that's still not big enough even at 96. So I'm going to up it to 130. All right. You can play with your text however you want. You have some alignment things over here and things like that. Some other things to play with are the image. It's really nice inside of Google Docs, or any Google product rather, is if you search the web for images within the program, it automatically returns images that are free for to reuse. You don't have to worry about copyright in these images. So I'm going to search for dogs, and I'm going to add these 3 letters. This is just a little tip, PNG. Those typically return results that don't have like a background to them, so they look really nice on posters. I'm going to bring this dog in. I'm just dragging him over. I'll resize him by the corner to get a really nice looking dog in here. So once again, that was just images, search the web. You can also upload from your computer or from your Drive, or shoot your Google Photos, or open up your webcam and take a picture as well. Lots of options to get images into your doc. I also want to show you insert word art. Word art can be good just for, especially for posters. Let's say this dog's name is Buddy, and I'm typing in the word art box here. I hit enter and Buddy appears, but here's what's nice about word art. You can resize it really easily to get it really big and looking nice. Same thing, you can change the font of word art. I don't know why I can't just let it go. Got to get a better font. Anyway, you can make it bold. You can color it with the paint bucket. You can add a border with this guy here, change the border thickness here, just stuff like that. So word art is sometimes a good option for posters. The important step is how to get it to Rita. You're going to give your drawing a title really quick, and File, Download As, and you can choose PDF or JPEG or PNG, any of these top 3. PDF is a document, these are images, but all of them will print really great. You pick one of them, you remember where you download it to, and you attach it to an email to Rita. Also, always tell Rita what size you want it printed. In this case, we designed it 18 by 20. Once again, it's always a good idea to design in the size that you want to print. That way you can help create a really high quality, high resolution image that won't get fuzzy when it's printed. Let me know if you have any questions. Happy to help.